In a global company like Bosch, we see the value, for example, of an international assignment.
You're going to have an opportunity to really travel the world if you want.
I've been to Japan. I stayed there for 6 years.
I've worked the last 4 years in China, in Shanghai.
I've been able to travel to Germany, Sweden, Russia, China, India.
Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia. Gosh, I'm probably missing some.
It's all about how we deal with each other and how we deal with the different cultures.
It's a 400,000 person organization, and our current focus right now is to bring these 400,000 human beings together, share their information, collectively, intelligently create future products.
We have a very innovative platform called Bosch Connect, which allows our associates to network with other associates all around the world and collaborate instantly and problem solve and brainstorm and share ideas together.
So I think that there's a tremendous amount of collaboration, there's a tremendous amount of innovation, and you feel that excitement when you talk to people.
We are a large company, and we operate in so many different countries and in so many different working environments. If you want to work in a plant, if you want to work in a corporate office or in the field, there is something for everyone.